All hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video we are going to talk about Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.0. So in this video we will see all the details of Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship. So let's get started. So this is the 7th edition of the internship, and internship is of 8 weeks, and this has 5 tech tracks and it's 100% virtual. That means you have to be it's online. It doesn't you have to go anywhere to fulfill their requirements. It's 100% virtual. So now what is this what will you gain from this internship? So this is the for aspiring enthusiasts, providing a platform to work on real world project and gain exposure to the latest technologies as well. So if you have good knowledge of this tech tax, you can apply, and if you are not, you can eligible as well. If you are you don't know the language, suppose you have tech track or you have applied for Python, if you don't know the language, you can get their courses of their Infosys Springboard. Their platform have that courses provided that you can learn first, and then after that, after getting shortlisted for their internship, you can work as well. So what's in for the interns? In-depth technical knowledge, gain hands-on experience in your chosen field of technology, then project-based learning, practical experience with working on real-world project, then expert guidance, learn from industry leaders and become part of community like-minded individuals, then virtual connect, continue to attend college while engaging in an 8-week virtual internship. So now main thing, what is the eligibility? So applicants must have passed 12th standard or equivalent from recognized board or university. So that means if you have completed your diploma or 12th standard, you are eligible for that, and currently pursuing or have completed graduation or post graduation. And about the commitment, they are looking for enthusiastic learner committed to an 8-week virtual internship. So and then this internship is for students only. Working professionals and alumni of previous batches should not apply for this. If you apply, you will get rejected easily. So don't waste your time and there as well. Then what is the process of nomination shortlisting? So nomination deadline is submitting using a valid Infosys Springboard register email ID only by March 31st 2026. Mobile phone registration will not be considered. Then nomination from accuracy. Please fill the nomination form carefully. Inputs provided during self-nomination cannot be changed later. Then course completion, that is, to be eligible for the internship, you must complete assigned course listed against your chosen technology domain by May 5th 2026. Then consistent ID. Ensure you use the same Infosys Spring ID to nominate for the internship and to complete the courses. Same email ID. All official communications will be sent to the register ID. Then shortlisting process. That course completion does not guarantee shortlisting or selection for the internship due to limited slot availability. So for that, I will recommend complete your courses as early as possible. They first come first service approach they use. For that, you have to complete your don't wait for 5th May 2026 to complete your courses. Before that, after registration, you have to complete your courses fast, then you can get selected for this. Then post selection and internship journey. After that, they will allocate a batch. Shortlisted interns will be allocated to various batch like batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Then you will assign by batch, and then regularly check your email for all update and session details, and you have to check, you have to mark your attendance regularly, and then take prior permission for any leaves during your internship. Then participate actively in all sessions, and after that, you have to complete your whole internship. You have to complete your milestones. There will be 4 milestones, 2 weeks each, and average of all 4 milestone score will be considered to qualify of your certificate. So for the award of the internship completion certificate, your attendance as well as your milestones will be considered. So please complete your attendance and your milestone as well. Then how to apply? There is the 5 categories to apply. First is artificial intelligence, then Angular full stack, then Python technology stack, then Java technology stack, and 5th one is data visualization. So you have to, like, this is the 5 tech domain you have to, like, you can learn and get the internship in. And last date to apply is March 31st 2026. You have to apply before that, and after applying you have to complete the courses. Suppose you have chosen the artificial intelligence. After clicking on that, you can see what courses you have to complete. So first, this you can see all complete the courses listed below before the deadline. Here you can see introduction to data science, introduction to NLP, introduction to AI, introduction to deep learning, then computer vision 101, then introduction to robotic process, artificial intelligence prime, then introduction to OpenAI ChatGPT, OpenAI generative pre-trained and generative models for developers, deep learning for developers, agile scrum in practice, principle in generative AI only, then generative AI unleashing, prompt engineering. All these courses you have to complete for getting selected in AI domain. After that, we will see for the Python Angular full stack. So for Angular full stack, you can see here are courses like Angular, CSS3, TypeScript, creating responsive web script, JavaScript, then you can see HTML5, the language, Twitter, Bootstrap, Agile Scrum in practice, Angular web developer, website creation, then user experience. This is for the Angular full stack only. And then after that, we have Python technology stack. So you can see there is programming fundamentals and programming fundamentals. Then after that, object oriented programming, database management, then database management 2, then SQL, no SQL database, Python foundation certification, agile scrum in practice, basics of Python. This course is for Python. Then after that, we will see for the Java technological stack. So for Java technology, we have programming using Java, database management first, database management second, introduction to NoSQL database, software engineering, and then after that we have Java foundation certification, agile scrum in practice, data structure and algorithm. And for data, we will see introduction to business, multidimensional data modeling, introduction to initiative relationship, learning Microsoft Power BI, then hands-on data visualization, Power BI for business, agile scrum in practice, software engineering, tech a data analytics, Excel, data science, and then cloud technologies and big data as well. So suppose I will show you the one, like you can see this is all the courses, but we will choose one. Suppose I choose Java technology stack. You can see here Java foundation certificate. After clicking on that, you can see they will show you like you have to complete the prerequisite courses. So this is the like pre-contents you have to complete. So you can see that you have to complete Java basics, Java programming. So for the certification, you have to complete this pre-content first. After that, you can only take the Java foundation certification. Same goes for Python, AI and Angular as well. So first you have to complete this certificate courses. After that, you have to get the certificate, like, and this is the camera protected test. So you have to be like you have to good knowledge of that technology for solving the questions and all the things. And for the registration, I will give you the link in the description box, so you can click on that, and after that click here to apply. We can see that the page we will go to the like website. You have to click on I accept, then after that done. Then after that, you have to fill your nomination for Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.0. And you can see here you have to enter your name, like I suppose I have entered XYZ. You can see you have to enter your name like you have on your Infosys Springboard portal. Then after that, you have to enter your email ID as well, same as you have registered for that, like your Infosys Springboard email. Then after that, you have to upload your institution name where you are pursuing education, then your city, where institution is located, and then state and which domain internship you will apply for. Suppose you are interested in artificial intelligence, then you can choose AI. Then after that, you have to choose your education that you are pursuing, like BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, BBA, BBM, MBA, ME, MTech, BSc or diploma. Then if this were like there is no profession of your given, so you can mention your education here like BSc or something then you have to enter your current year of PG, and then expected year of graduation. Are you working professional or not? If you are, you have to click on no, I am student not employed, where you selected in previous internship with Infosys Springboard. If yes, yes, then no. So this is the whole process of the Infosys Springboard to then after that you have to click on continue, and that's it. And after applying, you can see that you have successfully applied as well. And that's it for the today, guys. If you have any queries, you can comment down. Thanks for watching the video.